Hi friends, I'm Pooja. In part 1, I already explained you how to configure that SQL Server Database to this UiPath and to connect with this SQL Server Database to this UiPath and how Azan activity will work, how execute non-query will work, how can we pass variables, and how can we pass parameters. I explained these things. Due to some reasons, I disconnect the video in that passing parameters. So I'm continuing the same video by taking with the same use case. In previous video, I explained how to pass parameters and all in this way. Here you give a unique parameters name, and here you want to give the direction as per your requirement, and these all are in the string type, and here in the default value you have to give the variable that is you already created. Okay, and in edit query, this is how to create as a variables. Now I will show you how to pass parameters. Just remove this and within brackets just give name, value, and description. How can we pass parameters here? Here you need to give at the rate for all the variables. Click on OK. By this way, you can pass parameters and save this. If we run this first, it will give one pop-up that number of rows affected, then it will insert the dynamic data, and execute non-query is for like it's only show how many data is affected. So we can take execute query, right? Search for database activities, and here take one execute query. Here you need to select the same select statement with your table. Within quotes, can copy this one. And also one more thing, if you want to write all the data that has been inserted in your table, you can fetch those data into your Excel. How can you do this? So you want to take one write range activity. Before taking that write range activity, here in output data table, we need to create one data table. I'm creating the data table as config dt and take write range activity that is under workbook, and here you need to give the path of the Excel, or else that particular Excel that is not present in your local system, then it is created same as the sheet name also. Here I'm creating as output dt dot cell sx, and here you need to give the data table that we created as in execute query config data. Yes, save this. Yes, save this. Now let's run. After successful completion of this run, just open this Excel and see here, as you can see the result that has been inserted in the SQL server, that all data should present here. Whatever I gave here in the assign activity. I hope you understood the concept of how to configure that SQL database to this UiPath and how can we use that related database activities in UiPath Studio. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.